Hello everyone, welcome to Quantitative Literacy. I wanted to take a minute and introduce myself as well as introduce our course. So a little bit about me. I am currently an instructor, obviously for Front Range Community College. I kind of started teaching tutoring math back when COVID hit, and my life took a little bit of a left turn from where I was at the moment, which sounds like that happened to a lot of people when COVID hit. I have a degree in mathematics with an emphasis in computer science, and I also have a degree in psychology, so I have a couple different backgrounds. And other than that, personally, I have a husband and 2 sons. I have a 5-year-old son and a 6-month-old son, a little baby. And then we also have a 50-pound mutt who is wild and crazy. And we like to enjoy the outdoors. We like to go to the park a lot. Sports, that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's a little bit about me. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and show you our course. So this is our course shell. When you go to your Front Range Community College home, all you have to do is find your course, Quantitative Literacy. From here, I'm going to show you how to navigate kind of through our course shell. So the main content of this course that you're going to find is actually under content. So if you click content, we'll have, and actually I'm going to do something here. So, okay, so if you click content, this is what the course is going to look like. The first thing that you're going to want to do is start at the Welcome Start Here page. This gets a little bit of the course going, so it gives you a little bit of information here on how to navigate the course. And then the other really important thing you're going to want to check out is the syllabus and the course schedule. So the syllabus is linked here. You can click on it and it'll take you to the syllabus. And it has, oh, of course I'm logged out. Let's go back in. Okay. So here you can see the syllabus for our class, and it has important dates, what the texts are that we're going to be using, as well as just some course overview. It also has how the grades are worked out, as well as just general requirements for Front Range, as well as Front Range Online. It also has our schedule. But you can also find the schedule here when you go back to syllabus and schedule. So our course schedule is here. So you can go through this and it'll let you know what our schedule is going to look like for the semester. Of course, sometimes it takes a little while. Okay, so here it is. So just to give you a heads up, there's going to be 2 due dates throughout the week. The week runs from a Tuesday to Monday session each week. And then every Friday there's going to be something due, and every Monday there's going to be something due. So on Fridays, your MyOpenMath homework set, as well as a first discussion post is due. And then on Mondays, you're going to have a worksheet and your discussion replies due. So if you go back to content, you can see that there's a week 1 module and there's a week 2 module. And each week has your assignments and as well as your due dates and everything linked in there. So it's pretty easy to navigate. If you need to, when you need to watch your video lesson, go to operation. When you click on the video lesson, here at the bottom will be your textbooks. So you'll click on there and it'll take you directly to your textbooks, as well as the sections and everything that you need to read that go along with this video. And then you'll watch the video, and your homework will be under MyOpenMath. So when you click on this, it'll give you your problems that you need to answer from the homework set. And all the homework set in MyOpenMath is going to be due on Fridays. And then your discussion replies are going to be due on Mondays. And all of that is laid out in the schedule, as well as when you click on your weekly module, it tells you what days are due. So to find the discussions, that's when you go here. And there's a couple of discussion boards where they're ungraded. You can just ask post here to ask questions, just general questions about the course. And then for week 1, you'll have to do an introduction post. So it just introduces yourself so everyone can see that you're a person and we're all in this together. And then in the Module 1 discussion is kind of more of a content discussion. So this is where you'll post a problem that you're trying to work on, post a question, and all of that kind of stuff. And you'll post your original post by Friday, as well as a reply to at least one of your classmates by Monday. So that's listed down here. And then there's like another video on how to use Equation Editor, because sometimes typing up math is really tricky. And so there's an equation editor in here that is really useful. So when you start a new thread, you go here to this E, and then you can just do graphical equation, and you can put an equation in there. It's really simple. But yeah, so that's what that other board is. You can just watch the video, and it shows you how to get through using the equation editor. The other important place you're going to want to pay attention to is this assignments folder. So in here, you'll have each week a Dropbox for your worksheets. So the Module 1 worksheet, Module 2 worksheet, and it has the dates associated, so when they're due. So this one's due on actually I might need to adjust that because I think the 25th is when that one's due, or the 22nd. No, 25th. Yeah, so that one's due on the 25th. So I need to adjust those dates a little bit. But on the 25th, you'll have your worksheet. So you can find the worksheet when you click on... oh, I need to adjust. I need to fix that. Oh, yeah. There's something I need to fix. So... this will be a link. This Module 2 worksheet will be a link. So when you click on that link, it'll take you to a section where it'll be either a PDF file or a .docs file. So depending on how you guys want to open it. But that's a really important thing to remember is you have to do the worksheets too. So the worksheets are due on Monday after you do your module homework, because the worksheets build off of the homework. So you're going to need to know how to do the problems before you do the worksheet, which is why I have the My Open Math homework due on Fridays and the worksheet due on Mondays. And other than that, in the syllabus, you should be able to find my information as well. So if you go back to the syllabus again. Yeah, so here's my information. So it has my email. Please email me if you have any questions about anything. I also put my phone number there, but that's really only for emergencies. If you're like something really outrageous happens and you need to reach me immediately, you can try there. I also have my Zoom conference link here. Office hours are by appointment, so if you need to get some extra help, please definitely let me know and we can make an appointment to meet on Zoom. And so this is where you'll find all of my information to contact me. You can also email me in the class list. So if you go to class list, everyone's name will show up here, but all you have to do is simply click on my name and it'll bring up an email. And you can send me an email that way too. Either way works. But the best way to email me is probably through the class list. And other than that, that's pretty much our course. If you have any questions, again, please don't hesitate to reach out. I am here to help in any way that I can, and I look forward to a great semester with you all. Thanks so much.